Have you ever wondered what the future of affiliate marketing holds? As we gaze into the crystal ball that is 2024, we see a landscape ripe with potential. The digital age is in full swing, and advancements in technology are revolutionizing the affiliate marketing landscape. Picture a world where artificial intelligence and machine learning are the wizards behind the curtain, shaping and guiding marketing strategies with an unprecedented level of precision. But that's not all. The spotlight is also shining brightly on influencer partnerships, a trend that's gaining momentum as businesses realize the power of authentic, person-to-person marketing. Picture your favorite Instagram influencer or YouTube star, their voice lending credibility to your brand. Then there's voice search optimization, a rising star in the marketing world. With the increasing popularity of virtual assistants and smart speakers, optimizing for voice search is becoming more crucial than ever. Data privacy compliance and the growth of video content are two other key players on the field. While one ensures trust and transparency, the other harnesses the power of visual storytelling to engage and captivate audiences. Intrigued? Let's dive into these trends in more detail. Technology is evolving at a rapid pace, and affiliate marketing is no exception. In this digital age, technology plays a significant role in shaping the future of affiliate marketing. Advanced analytical tools, for instance, are being used more and more to track and measure performance. These tools provide valuable insights into customer behavior, enabling marketers to fine-tune their strategies and maximize their return on investment. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are also leaving their mark. They are being used for predictive modeling and personalization, helping marketers to understand their audience better and deliver more targeted and relevant content. This level of personalization is not just a nice-to-have feature anymore, it's a necessity in today's competitive marketplace. Blockchain technology, although still in its early stages of adoption in the marketing world, is showing potential too. It promises transparency and security, qualities that are highly valued in any business, but especially in affiliate marketing where trust is paramount. As technology continues to evolve, so will the strategies and tactics used in affiliate marketing. Influencer marketing is not a new trend, but it's becoming more important than ever in the world of affiliate marketing. Influencers, with their ability to reach a vast audience, have become a vital cog in the marketing machine. Their power to increase brand awareness is unparalleled. They can introduce your brand to thousands, if not millions, of potential customers in an instant. However, as with any strategy, the devil is in the details. Choosing the right influencers is crucial. They need to align with your brand's values, resonate with your target audience, and most importantly, they should be authentic. A mismatch here can do more harm than good. And let's not forget, we're seeing a shift in how these partnerships are structured. The one-off collaborations that were so common in the past are gradually being replaced by long-term partnerships. These enduring relationships build trust and credibility, leading to more effective campaigns and stronger customer engagement. Influencer partnerships will continue to be a key strategy for brands looking to expand their reach and increase their affiliate sales. Data privacy is a hot topic these days, and it's something that every affiliate marketer needs to take seriously. As we navigate through the digital landscape, we find ourselves in an era where data is the new currency. With this shift comes a heightened responsibility, the onus of data privacy compliance. Compliance with data privacy regulations is not an option, but a necessity. It's about respecting the rights of consumers and protecting their personal information. It's about ensuring that every piece of data collected is done so ethically, stored securely, and used responsibly. The potential consequences of non-compliance can be daunting. From hefty fines to damaged reputations, the fallout can be severe. For instance, under the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, companies can face penalties of up to 4% of their global annual turnover if they fail to comply. The California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA, can also slap violators with fines that can run into thousands of dollars per violation. Such potential repercussions underscore the importance of investing in technology to ensure data privacy. Sophisticated data management systems, secure encryption methods, and robust identity verification tools are just a handful of ways technology can help affiliate marketers stay compliant. But it's not just about avoiding penalties. Ensuring data privacy also means building a stronger relationship with your audience. When customers know their data is being handled with care, they're more likely to engage with your brand. It's an opportunity to build trust, foster loyalty, and ultimately protect your brand's reputation. Data privacy compliance is not just a legal requirement, it's also a way to build trust with your audience and protect your brand's reputation. Video content is king, and it's only going to grow in importance in the world of affiliate marketing. In an era where consumers are increasingly visual, video content is swiftly becoming the preferred medium. It's engaging, versatile, and can be ingested easily regardless of the viewer's environment or attention span. Video content has the power to boost engagement levels exponentially. It's not just about watching, it's about experiencing. You see, video content allows for storytelling that's immersive, making it far more engaging than its text-based counterparts. Moreover, video content can significantly increase conversion rates. It's a potent tool that can effectively showcase products, demonstrate their use, and convey their benefits in a way that's both comprehensive and compelling. And let's not forget about SEO. Search engines love video content. It's an excellent way to improve your website's SEO, making your content more discoverable and, in turn, driving more traffic to your site. The trend is also leaning towards live video content, bringing an added layer of authenticity and immediacy that resonates with today's audience. And when it comes to influencer marketing, video is a game changer. It allows influencers to connect with their audience on a more personal level, making their endorsements more credible and impactful. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a video is worth 1,000,000. So, what does the future of affiliate marketing look like? Well, based on expert predictions, it's an exciting panorama of advancements and evolution. We have taken a deep dive into the trends that are shaping this industry for 2024. And here's what we found. Technology is leading the charge, with new tools and platforms revolutionizing the way we approach affiliate marketing. The rise of influencer partnerships is another key trend, highlighting the power of authentic person-to-person marketing. Then there's the crucial role of data privacy compliance, an issue that's not just about regulation, but about building trust with your audience. And let's not forget the growth of video content, a medium that's becoming increasingly important in the digital marketing landscape. But remember, these trends aren't just predictions, they're opportunities. Staying ahead of the curve and adapting to these changes is the key to succeeding in the world of affiliate marketing. The future of affiliate marketing is bright, but only for those who are willing to evolve and adapt to these emerging trends. Are you ready for the future? Stay ahead of the curve. Learn the cutting-edge affiliate marketing strategies for 2024.